So we're doing a field test with the Jesan KT750 emergency CB radio. Mr. Chippie's taken it out, put the mag mount on the test car, and he will be talking on the Jesan KT750, which is the customer's set. Now my set's here, so he's talking on one of these emergency sets, and it's going to be plugged in to the, and it's only a rubber duck aerial you get with it. We're not expecting, well, I'll be surprised if we get scratchy corner. So we know he's out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Okay, we've started the video for the Jesan KT50 emergency CB.
Roger that. Right, we're coming out to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. Roger, got you at Ancaster service station. Now that radio will be doing a full 4 watts, so it's not like some of these sets which only do 2 or 3. This is doing a full 4 watts, so that's what it's about. But how it's going to work with that little rubber duck, I've got my own one here, and you get this little mag mount with it, with some very thin cable. Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. No, we'll get you at the top of the hill, but whether or not we get you at Scratchy Corner, I will be surprised. We'll drop the squelch down, and the rubber aerial you get with it, there's a difference in size here, because the rubber aerial I got is 2 inches longer than the one which the customer sent in, so that's the one we got. So is that off a different type? I don't know, but it's got the right fitting. Roger, got you at the top of the hill. So that's him now 2 miles away. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, I know you're there. I can't hear what you're saying. I do know you're there. So call me from Wilsford level crossing. Over. I'm still not quite receiving what you're saying, but give me a call from level crossing. So that's a no-no at Scratchy Corner. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, I think that's you calling from Wilsford level crossing, not readable, and that's where the test will end. Over. There you are. That's got to be the worst performing emergency set we've ever had. Now I think he's still out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, if that's you, I can't read you, and that's where the test ends. Over. It's not the radio, it is the rubber duck you get with it. So we're going to test this as a walkie-talkie, and the test is obviously going to end at Scratchy Corner. We'll see whether he can pick his spots at Scratchy Corner when he uses it as a walkie-talkie. We'll make sure it's getting through 13.5 volts by putting 9 1.5 volt batteries in the battery pack and 1 dummy. So we'll make sure it's on 13.5 volts, so it's got a fair chance, and that will probably be tomorrow. So he'll be out with the body cam. That didn't work out, so we can safely say that on our rough terrain test we got 2.5 miles on the Jesan KT750 emergency CB radio when used with the mag mount which it comes with and the rubber aerial which it comes with. Thank you for watching.